Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up another drone from JJ Customs at his 1 year anniversary. Had a little party, little get together over there. I think I posted a video with the RC cars, the crawlers, doing a little race real quick. I didn't videotape too much over there because I was, talking and hanging out rather than filming. So yeah, so I picked up a drone over there, guys, from flyhighrc. Extra battery, and then the drone. So we're just gonna do an unboxing. I did open this up and check it out and mess with it for a minute or two. So this is how you'll get it. All this stuff will be in the bag. I just kind of toss it in here. You have your little blade protectors. I'll show you real quick how to put those on. Nice and simple. I think this is around 50 bucks, I think. And this is like 10 bucks. Yeah, $9.89 for an extra battery, which for that price, I would buy the extra battery just to have. Gives you the directions. Download the app so you can control it from your phone. You can't, it doesn't save the pictures to your phone, at least from what I was trying. You can do like a screen recording though, or because it does connect to the camera. There is a little camera on the front. So like an FPV, so you can fly it like that if you wanted to. It comes with 4 extra blades. And a screwdriver, okay, and then your little instruction kit, which it tells you can turn on. It's got sensors on it, so you won't run into the walls. You can turn that on. It does flips. You can have it do flips and stuff, side flips, right front flip, all that stuff. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool little drone. So these come in the bag, and these are part of your controller. So you put them in your controller here. Oops. Put them in your joysticks. You have a little bit higher control. Okay. All right. This flips up for your phone. On, off. This is your adjustment, your tuning, for forward. If it's flying forward, you can push it back or whatever. I believe this is for your speed. Got 3 different speeds up here. This one's for your flip. If you click this and then hit up while you're flying, it'll front flip. And then if you click that and pull back, it'll back flip, and so on. And I believe this button, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it turns on the little sensors to where if the walls come in, it'll stop and it'll back up. It won't go any farther. It'll actually change direction. So if it's going forward and it sees that little, senses it, it'll stop and it'll start backing up. Okay. Same as side to side. And I don't think there's one on the back side. I think it's just the front and 2 sides that it shows. Or the back, yeah, there's only 3 sides. So and then here's the drone. So you got to pull these ones out first, and then these bottom ones out. All right, so it's actually a decent size. I mean, it's a small drone, but it's decent sized. There's the camera. You can adjust it by hand. So if you want to look forward, you point it forward. You want to look down, you can point it down, any direction. So here's your little sensors. So you do have it in the front and the 2 sides right here. There's nothing in the back because you're usually not going backwards too far. So, and here's the battery. Put it in like so, and it just slides in there. Okay. Same way you get now. You just push down a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not going to turn it on because it does fly and does go crazy. And I'm using my phone to record. So, but I did pull up this earlier and it did show all this, and I actually controlled it with the phone. So if you don't want to use this, you don't have to. You can use your phone to do it. It felt a little bit harder, but I was in the garage. I haven't gone outside yet and tried it because it's a little windy right now. But I will definitely be going outside and trying it. I'm just waiting for the wind to die down. It's been pretty windy for the last week or so. So, yeah, so it's been a little tough to go fly these outside. So I'm just doing an unboxing right now. But yeah, so these are little protectors. So if you take it, and there's two little, let's see if you guys can see that or not. There's two little like clips right here. Let's get a little light on here for you guys, huh? So there you go. Right there, there's two little clips. And those slide underneath there, and then it just pops on right here. These front ones are a little tougher. They seem like a little bigger, but they go on the same way. They're the same exact thing, but they just don't snap on as easy as the front. See, that one did. So, yeah. So, and then the way you take them off, you just pull that back down and wiggle it off. Sometimes they take a little bit to get off there. So, yeah, there you go. And then you slide it off and you fold it back up, okay? And I suggest putting these on just to have them on for the first couple times. Once you get used to how it flies, then take them off. And it's, so yeah, so there you go, guys. That's, so yeah, I just scanned that with my phone. It pops up the app, and then you got to connect to your Wi-Fi. Got to go to the Wi-Fi and connect your phone to the drone. And then once the drone gets up, you unlock it. All this stuff will pop up. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I was impressed that it worked with the phone. It started going with the phone. And here's the hard copy. It tells you how to do most everything. So, you know, how to change the blades, all that stuff, where the battery goes. It does take 3 AAA batteries, which I have already installed because I was testing it before I showed you guys. So I don't look too dorky. I am not a drone expert, guys. I just, these little ones are kind of cool. Been messing with them a little bit. I do have another one to show you. Will be another video, and it's a fancier one. I'm not going to try to fly that one. I don't want to crash it. These ones are cheap. I can afford these ones. This other one I can't afford, so. But it's not too expensive. It's just something drones are fun, but I live by an airport. I can't fly them a lot. I'd have to go somewhere on the other side of town, go try to find a place, and it's just so windy around here where I live, and where I work. There's certain days I can fly these things and certain days I can't. So anyways, like I said, they're still fun, guys. I still like them. I know there's a lot of you guys that like to mess with these drones. And they're fun to play with, I don't know, around your house, in your garage. That little blue one I got. I'll leave a link up here, right there somewhere. I got that from flyhighrc too. And that one's a fun one to play with in the garage. It's like almost bulletproof, bounce it off the walls, and it's, it just bounces off the wall and lands, and then you got to recalibrate it and then go again, That's a fun one too. And I'm hoping this one's just as fun. Seems like it's I did try turning this on, and I crashed it. So that's why I'm not turning it on right now, so you guys don't see me crashing it. Yeah, and everything was fine, Like I said, this one's a little bit more outdoors. It flies a little stronger, It takes off pretty fast. So yeah. FlyHighRC has a website. It's flyhighrc.com. You can also get these at jjcustoms.com or jjcustomsllc.com. Links down below for both of these, both websites. And JJ Customs is starting to work on his website to make it a little better for us guys. He is in the process of that, so just bear with him. I know sometimes it's hard to find things in there, but just takes time right now. But he's going to start working on that coming up in the future here. And he does ship for free. Same with flyhighrc, free in the United States, $29.99 worldwide. Both of them do, from flyhighrc or JJ Customs websites. So go check those out. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.